Good morning, children. So it is geometry from 6th standard, and the first lesson is basic concept of geometry. So today we are going to learn about the basic concept of geometry. Now tell me better, the word geometry means what? Geo means earth and metry means measures. So here we will learn about the basic, what are the measures like dot, line, line segment, ray, types of lines, linear and collinear points. Okay, so let's see beta first point. So point is a dot made by the sharp tip of the pen or a pencil. So it is a dot and we will name it by the capital letter. Any capital letter. You can use any capital letter to name it from A to Z. So how will you define it? Point is a dot made by the sharp tip of pen or pencil. Okay. And this point has no length, no breadth, and no height. It has no length, breadth, and height. Okay. And it is denoted by the capital letter. For example, see beta, it is a dot. So we can say it is a point. And it is shown by in capital letter A, B, or whatever. So got it? Point is a dot made by the capital sharp tip of just sharp tip of pen or pencil. The next is line. And we can say line is a straight line. So line is a collection of dots. Line is a collection of dots. It has only length, no breadth and no height. So that's why it is known as 1D figure. 1D figure means one dimensional figure. It has only length. And no breadth and height. Okay. See beta. And we will draw this line with the help of ruler. It is line L. So when we denote the line by a single letter, so you have to write a small letter. Suppose it is line L. Okay, and you can denote a line by 2 letters also. So these are the 2 dots, M and N. So that time you have to use capital letters. Got it, beta? Now see these 2 arrowheads. What is the meaning of this arrowhead? It means that you can extend line infinitely in both the direction. Okay, that's why you have to write the arrowhead on the 2 ends of a line. Got it, beta? Now see line segments. Line segment. Line segment is the part of a line. Now see beta, as we know, line is extended infinitely in both the direction. Okay, so we can't measure the length of the line, but we can measure the length of the line segment. Why? Because it has 2 end points. It is the part of the line. Line segment is the part of a line. Now see. PQ. See beta, it has 2 end points. So we can name it line segment PQ. And see it is PQ. And draw a little bar over this PQ. And how will you denote this line? It is M and write a small line over it. So it means that when you see a small line over the letters, it is line. And if a small bar is on the letters, it is line segment. Got it, beta? Okay. The next is plane. So plane is the flat surface. For example, see a blackboard. So it is a plane. And also see our table top. It is the plane. So we can draw any figure on a plane. For example, see beta. This plane A, B, C, D. And some figures are there. Okay. So plane AB, CD. Now see better. Now see better, what is the meaning of this? These arrowheads are running outwards. That means what? You can extend the plane infinitely. बाहर की तरफ हम प्लेन को बढ़ा सकते हैं. Got it, better? Now see if I am taking some points on a plane. So these are the some points on the plane. Have you seen this? It is point A, B, C, D, B, E, F, G, and this one is H. Now see, if you are taking any 2 points, so how many lines you can draw? So through the 2 points, you can draw only one and one line. Okay. Or see, beta, if I am taking FG, so you will draw only one line. For example, this BC, or you can take CD or BD, AE, EH. So through the 2 points, you can draw one and one only one line. Now see beta, ABH. Now here, these 3 points ADH are lies on a line. So these points are known as collinear points. And see, this point E, F, G, C, and B, they do not lie on this line. So that are what? Non-collinear points. So collinear points that 2 or more points lies on a same line are called linear points. For example, from the above figure, ABH points in point B and H are collinear points. Got it, beta? So when 2 or more points lies on the same line, so that points are known as collinear. Means एक ही लाइन के ऊपर आ रहे हैं. ओके, नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स किसको लेंगे? Non-collinear points. When points are not lies on the same line. When 2 or more points that does not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. For example, point B, point E, point G are non-collinear points. Got it, beta? So today we are learn about the point, line segment, plane, linear points and collinear points. Okay, so I'm giving you one homework to solve. Okay, ray means what, beta? It is the part of a line. Part of a line. It can be extended. It can be extended only in one direction. For example, see. AB is a ray and this end point, actually it is not an end point, so it is the origin. It is known as initial point. So we will write the name as ray AB. So always you have to start the name from the origin. So it is what beta? It is ray AB. For example, sun rays, rays from the torch. So here the source is sun. Initial point is sun. So write one homework beta. Is point O. Here is point M, R. It is point S. Here is T. Here is M. And this point is T. So first look at the figure and name the following. Name the following. First, collinear points. Second, rays. Third, line segment. And the fourth one is line. So from this figure, you have to write all the lines, all the rays, all the line segments, and all the linear points. Got it, beta? So it is now homework.